Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a space so conversations and files live together. Open spaces from Gmail or the web, click Create, name it, and choose Privacy, Direct versus Team. Add at least one member immediately because collaborators shape visibility and access. Once done, pin a short description so everyone knows purpose and scope. Make sure to set member roles if you need moderators. This prevents accidental deletions and keeps the discussion focused. After setup, organize content so you don't lose important info. Create topics to separate subjects and start threaded messages for focused replies. This keeps context intact. Attach files directly from Drive or upload from your device. You can also paste links to external resources. Use the search bar and filters to find messages by person, file type, or date range. Because Spaces indexes attachments, you'll retrieve documents faster, so structure topics and name files clearly for reliable results. To finish, manage the lifecycle. Adjust notifications to reduce noise, archive or close the space when the project ends, and export key files to Drive for long-term storage. Remove inactive members to maintain security and assign ownership before someone leaves. If something goes wrong, first check your internet and account permissions, then clear the app cache or re-authenticate. If sync still fails, re-add a problematic file or recreate the topic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.